Bless the Lord, O my soul, and all that is within me. Bless His holy name. Bless the Lord, O my soul, and forget not all His benefits. Who forgives all your iniquity, heals all your diseases, and redeems your life from the pit, crowning you with love and mercy. He satisfies your soul with good and renews your youth like the eagle's flight. The Lord works righteousness and justice for the oppressed. Who forgives all your iniquity, heals all your diseases, and redeems your life from the pit, crowning you with love and mercy.
He made His ways known to Moses, His acts to Israel's children. The Lord is merciful and gracious, slow to anger, abounding in love. Who forgives all your iniquity, heals all your diseases, and redeems your life from the pit, crowning you with love and mercy.
He will not always chide, nor keep His anger forever. He does not deal with us according to our sins, nor repay us for our iniquities.
Who forgives all your iniquity, heals all your diseases, and redeems your life from the pit, crowning you with love and mercy.
As high as heaven is above the earth, His steadfast love remains for those who fear Him. As far as east is from the west, He removes our transgressions from us.
As a father shows compassion, so the Lord shows mercy to those who fear Him. He remembers we are dust, and His love endures forever.